Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES. And, for those of you, if you didn't see yesterday's webcast, what are we looking at? 1340 quarter, congressional leadership on the lawn, singing Kumbaya, and we start buying the rumor. Congress drops the ball, and we make this gap. And then we just kind of continue higher. But what we've seen the last couple of days, when we talked yesterday, I said the thing to look out for, I didn't really necessarily care where it closed yesterday. My concern yesterday was whether or not the bears could take out the prior day's low, which they did. 1450 now is proving to be pretty solid support, at least for the moment. You've got 1450 was a Thursday low. Then we did 51 quarter. Now yesterday we went down, did 50.75, and that area was retested and held in the overnight Globex. So what I'm looking for today is the ability of the bears to push underneath 1450. I think a push underneath 1450 is going to bring 1448 fairly fast, and a crack there, I think you'll see it bleed down to 1443. However, what you're seeing now on the upside is you're seeing the upper Bollinger Band kind of take off and beginning to leave a little bit of a price pocket there that may go ahead and get tested by the bulls. We may get one more punch. So today we're kind of in no man's land as far as what am I going to do, Mike? What am I going to do? I honestly, if you're not involved right now, I would wait a little bit, because it looks like either way we're going to get a push up to test 58 again, certainly 56. You got the daily and 3-day pivots coming in at 1456 today, so you got a double pivot area. If 56 continues to be resistance, and it has been in the overnight session, if it continues to be resistance, that's a nice entry for a day short. Or if you're not involved in a swing short, you can go ahead and get involved at that level. A break above 56 is certainly going to bring 58, and a test of yesterday's highs up at 1460.75. So we're really in no man's land. 60.75 to 1450 is kind of the very short-term range, that 10-handle range, and we're trading 54 half. So what do you do right now? You don't do anything right now. You wait. If we do break 1450, I would expect a retest of 1450 as resistance at some point, whether that's today or tomorrow. If we break 50 and test an area below, I would fully expect support and then a retest of 50 as resistance, because I always talk to you guys about support becoming resistance, and that's absolutely true. And I see it all the time in my technical analysis. 50 is important. It's been important for 4 days. It will continue to be important as resistance if the area is broken. Okay? Below, as far as the rest of the pivots go, you've got double pivots down at 1434. That seems like kind of a reach today. And then the 45-day pivot is down at 1420. So we're trading 34 handles above the 45-day pivot, which is not overbought, but it's certainly not neutral. We're just kind of holding a bid here up above 1450. No real economic news today. No real solid economic news the rest of the week, except for initial jobless claims on Thursday morning. So Washington is barely working. So we're kind of in a little bit of a news vacuum right now. So we'll have to see who wins the news vacuum, the Bulls or the Bears. Typically, the Bulls win the news vacuum. So I'm a little bit hesitant right now to really load up short. I continue to be swing short from these levels, but I'm really trading around a core short position. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.